Welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. It's Keira here, and today we have something so exciting. We are unboxing and going to be doing a tutorial on the new road trip collection. Guys, just like look at how stunning. This is what it looks like when you get it. This is just so beautiful. And then all of the Subtl Beauty like special collections usually come in a tin like this. And then here's what it looks like when you unbox it. The collection has 3 items. The Guava Getaway, which is this dark lip and cheek color. It is so stunning. Apricot Avenue, which I love. It's this peachy blush, a powder blush. And then the Golden Gimlet Highlighter, which is also like stunning and gorgeous. And then of course it comes with the mirror lid and brush base. Obviously you're gonna see it all, so let's get into the tutorial. First things first, I'm gonna do a foundation today just because, as you can see, I've been experiencing a lot of acne and I just kind of want to like full glam look today. So we're gonna go in with the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation in Deauville. About 3 pumps onto the hand. I usually use a damp beauty blender. This is probably a little lighter than my coloring right now, but we'll just kind of add some color back in with the concealer and bronzer. I already tried the collection once and this collection is so good. Lip and cheek and the apricot combo is so stunning. And I remember, if you guys have been here for a while, the 1.0 Subtle Stack had like a coral lip and cheek color and I forgot how much I loved that. And so when I tried the blush, it's definitely not coral, it's a different shade, but it kind of reminded me of that and I just loved it. Okay, so there's our foundation base. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna do 4N because like I said, I am a little darker since I've been in the sun a lot. And I think I said this in my last video, but just like don't be afraid to mix subtle shades. Oh, I love this concealer. It just goes on so smooth. I just love that it stands on its own. If you don't want to do foundation or if you do want to do it, it just like mixes and blends in so seamlessly. Okay, and then to start, I always like to put a little bit of lip balm on. This is the Zestination Cocoa lip balm. I'm just gonna do this so my lips can hydrate while we're doing our makeup. And then I am gonna go in with a little bit of this Fenty stick in Mocha. I just like to add some color with like cream and some with the powder bronzer. Whoops. Guys, if you have any tips for like nose contouring, I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, now that we have some bronze on, I'm gonna go in with the lip and cheek. This is Guava Getaway. It's a warm, rosy brown lip and cheek inspired by the dawn of a new day. I love it. I think I'm gonna focus it a little bit more up here. There was a trend called Sunset Blush, and this collection really is like perfect for that look. Well, I think people use super light pink and then it faded into like an orange, but I like how this is like a darker rosy brown and then could fade into the apricot color with the golden highlighter on top of it. It is totally giving that sunset trend. And I'll apply a little bit here. I just think this color is so pretty. I don't usually go for like darker blush colors, but I love it. Okay, so next we're gonna add the blush. So this is Apricot Avenue, a soft peachy pink blush inspired by the delicate tones of freshly picked apricots. And it really is just so stunning. And then I'm gonna use this one from the 4-piece brush set. Now just like watch how pretty this is. Like, are you kidding me? I love it. I feel like this is so pretty on its own, so pretty paired with the lip and cheek, obviously. And I just haven't really been using powder blushes much, but this reminds me like why they're so great, because you can layer. I feel like you can even kind of do a little dusting up here. It's just giving summer sunset, so pretty. Okay, and then what I love about this blush is I used it on the eyelids yesterday and I absolutely loved it. So we're gonna do that again. Like, are you kidding? This is so pretty. Guys, that's the beauty of all the products that Subtl puts out, is I just love using them for multiple purposes, which is amazing when obviously you're bringing a stack with you because you can make it super small and compact. It just makes your routine a lot faster, and it also just looks so pretty when you kind of have this like monochromatic makeup look going on. I'm putting some in the crease and then on the outer corner because I'm gonna do the highlight in the middle. And then I'm gonna slide this little thingy over here and take some underneath the eye. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna add just like a little bit of bronzer too. I mean, like this might be my new blush eye makeup routine. I love it. Okay, now we're gonna add some highlight, and let me tell you, this is so pretty. A little goes a long way. Keep that in mind. Like when I first applied it, I definitely applied too much, but it's like really pigmented, really beautiful. Okay, so Golden Gimlet is a golden bronze highlighter that captures the warmth of golden hour. So for the eyes, I'm just gonna use my finger, like just look at, I barely tapped it. It's so pigmented, which is like perfect for using as eyeshadow too. Stunning. Okay, so I kind of concentrate it here, and then I'm just gonna take it up the lid a little bit. It's just like the perfect golden shimmer. It's so beautiful. Before I do the highlighter, I'm gonna use a little bit of shine control powder using this stippling brush from the 4-piece brush set. And that's because I have a glowy base on underneath, so I need to kind of dull that shine where I want it and then intentionally add the highlight back in. Okay, that kind of mattified things a little bit. Now we're gonna add some of the highlight in. Do you see how pretty? It's like, again, very strong pigment. I think it's just the lighting on this side. You can't see it as well. And I'm gonna add some to my nose. I actually forgot to add bronzer to my face, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that with this brush from the 4-piece brush set as well. Okay, so this is so pretty on its own, like even without mascara, just for a very bronzy golden look. Now I'm gonna add the Lip and Cheek to the lips. Okay, super pretty, very buildable. I feel like this could also be really pretty just as like a lip liner with Hibiscus Highway or something underneath. It kind of gives that 90s lip look that's so popular. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara. Something about this mirror for mascara and doing your eyelashes is just so perfect. This mascara is so good. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. It's interesting because on TikTok, we'll get a lot of comments of people asking for like a brow or a mascara in the stack, but I feel like a mascara in the stack, like a cake mascara and a wand, would just be so messy. I think that mascara in and of itself is just already so convenient. So personally, I just think mascara is already easy to use and transport and travel with like product. I feel like a stack mascara would just be more messy and more complicated, if that makes sense. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Would you ever use like a stack mascara? And if so, how would that work? This is in the shade Black Brown, so it is actually kind of a brown color. Okay, and there's the final makeup look. I absolutely love this. I don't usually go for a darker lip, so I kind of liked it with like a lighter lip. I think next time I try this look, I'm gonna use this as the lip liner and then do like a lighter pinky color in the middle. But overall, I love this makeup look. I love the peach, I love the highlight. I love all 3 products really, but if I had to pick like my top number 1, it's the peach color. Like just look how pretty this is for summer, and then even for fall as well, like fading in the Apricot Avenue color with Guava Getaway with the darker, richer tones. Like it's so stunning. If you want to check out the collection or any of the products I used in this video, just head to subtlebeauty.com and let me know what you guys think of this look, and if you have any questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe. We post videos every single Sunday. Bye guys.